Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talking about the file systems in the PHP programming language. But this lecture is totally focused on how you can open your file with the help of PHP code and the file system. Since PHP is a server programming language and it allows you to work with the files and dictionaries which is stored on the web server as well. In this lecture, I just told you that you are going to learn about that how you can open your file with the help of PHP. A very best method which is using for opening the file system in PHP, which is fopen method. So this is fopen method. This functions give you more options that such an setting whether the file is for reading only or for writing to us as well. Okay, here let's just see in a coding example that I'm just creating some of the variable right here, which is a file, and the file here which is equal to, I just write that this is the file which is open right here. Okay, so this is the function right here. This is here you can write your variable, and then this is the fopen function. Okay, here you can see that I'm just creating a text.txt file, which is a text file here, and I just want to open this file into this function. So let's just see here, I just write txt.txt, which is the extension of the file. This is the name of the file, and here you will write the extension of the file. Now after that, here I'm just creating comma, and now here I have to write, if you want to write R or anything, so this is just a mode right here. This is the file name and this is the mode right here. Hope so you understand now. Now here you will see that I have to write, let's suppose I have to write firstly I have to close this code, and then here I have to write this is echo, and echo here is file. Okay, now after that, here I am just running this file into the browser right here. Now here when I just run this code, so you can see here the resource ID here is 3, and that will getting the resource of that file here is 3 right here. Okay, now here you will see that. Now after that, this file is opening to me. Okay, now here you will see that after that, here I am just removing this echo right here, and now I am just doing the file handling to you guys. I just write that this is the text or the R mode, and here I just simply write a die mode. Die will generate an error to you that file, the error here is file cannot open. Okay, and after that, here I am just writing if variable file is not open is open, so here simply print the error right here, which is echo, and then here I have to write file open successfully. Okay, if the file is open, so that will generate an option or the print statement like this, and if file is not open, so that will show me the error of that as well. Okay, here you will see now when I just go to the browser, refresh this, so here you can see that this is showing me that your file is open here successfully. Okay, why? My first statement show me that you are using the ID resource number 2 right there. So when you are not quitting the files of options, so that does not actually read the content of the files, and that will simply print like a resource that how much time you are searching this file. Okay, here you can see that I'm just simply write that this file is successfully open right here, and after that, here you can see that one another thing you have to use right here. Firstly, we have to open our file right here. Okay, and you can also use one another functions which is to close your file as well. So close file here is the variable file which is getting this variable into this fclose function. Okay, here you can see that when I just run this, so this code is running completely. Firstly, that will open the files to me, and after that, that will close the file to me as well. Hope so you understand now. That here you can see that I think you are a little bit confused about this mode. So this R is using for opens and read the file only. Okay, here in the place of that, if you want to write R plus, which is using for open the file for reading and writing, here this R is using for read file only. But here if you want to read and write the file, so simply write R plus. If you want to only write the file, so simply write in the place of R, which is W. Okay, and if you want to append the file, so simply you have to write A right here. Hope so your concept is much clear about that, how you can open the file and how you can close the file right here. Okay, if you want to write some of the thing right here, that the file closing error is file closing is also generate some of the output to you. So here you have to write that echo and then error, which is file does not exist. That will generate an error when the file does not exist. If we delete the file from here, so that will generate the error like this. Okay, hope so you understand now. If you find any of the problem regarding this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.